As a content creator on YouTube, the first thing people would see is your thumbnail, your YouTube thumbnail. That's what determines if people are going to click on your video or not. If you're a new creator or you're just a content creator out there struggling to make YouTube thumbnail that would stand out, attention grabbing thumbnail, please watch this video from the beginning to the end. I'll teach you how to design professional and attention grabbing thumbnail on CapCut. CapCut, guys, you don't need a computer, you don't need a laptop. You can do this on your phone. Please don't miss out on this information. Being able to create attention-grabbing thumbnail will help you have thousands of views on your videos. You go from having 1-2 views to having 200, 1,000 and above views. I mean, don't you want to have thousands of views? Don't you want to start making money on YouTube through your videos? If your answer is yes, if you want to start getting views, please watch this video from the beginning to the end. I promise you, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best YouTube thumbnail. Let's quickly dive in. This is the thumbnail we are going to be using in this tutorial video. First and first, go to Google and get the image that you like. It could be any image on the internet. Yeah, and you can get it on Google. So I've seen this image. I like it. So I'm going to choose 2 images and then settle for the best one. Yes, so I also like this one. It looks very bright and beautiful. Whatever image you choose to use, make sure that it's bright and attention grabbing. In this scene, I'm trying to get an image that I'm going to use on the thumbnail. So I usually don't use pictures. I usually record it as a video. And then when I'm done with it, I screenshot it. So here I am making several faces. Then I'll choose the best one. Now let's choose the picture that will be on the thumbnail. I like this. From the video I recorded earlier, I have chose the best image, the attention grabbing image. Now it's time for me to resize the image I got on Google. After resizing, straight to CapCut. So I'm going to choose remove background, the one that has remove background option. Then I will add the human face that I took earlier. Human face is very important in thumbnail. So I don't want that background to be there. I'll remove the background. That is why I chose the remove background option. Now our thumbnail is semi-ready. The next thing to do is to place the image at the right place. Yes, placing it at the right place matters. Once you have what you need, screenshot it. Screenshot it and export to CapCut. Now we are going to fine-tune our thumbnail and give it maximum resolution. Resolution makes your thumbnail stand out. It makes it look very professional. Go to retouch and smoothen the thumbnail. Yeah, you smoothen it. Then you enhance it. Enhance the image. Yes. Click on video quality to do that. Were you able to understand the tutorial up to this point? If not, please let me know in the comment section and I will be sure to answer any of your questions. The AI HD feature you've seen in the video was recently introduced by CapCut in 2025. Using it would enhance your thumbnail and give it a very polished look. After that, let's apply a filter. You can see the thumbnail has a sky background. We want the sky to pop and look even beautiful. So let's look for the best filter. I will settle for Pristine because Pristine always makes the sky pops. But you don't want the filter to be too much though. So just make it average. Yeah. And then you export the video. Once you export the video, guess what you're going to do next? Before we get there, let's wait for the video to finish exporting. Yes, almost ready. Our thumbnail is almost ready. After exporting the video, click on it to get a screenshot. Yes, you've screenshotted the image you want to use. Now let's resize it. This is the image. We have our thumbnail here. Let's go, people. So head over to your YouTube channel. I'm using my YouTube. I just want to see if the thumbnail is going to be the correct size. So I'm going to use it on one of my videos, but I'm not going to save it. Okay. There's another way to do this. You can do this on CapCut. You don't have do that, but this is what I do. Yes. Voila, we have our professional, clean looking thumbnail. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. Please share with me the CapCut edit that is giving you issues in the comment section, and I'll be sure to give you a tutorial on it the next time I see you. Thank you. Please check out my other videos. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.